Hey everyone, you hear about AI everywhere these days, right? From robots fixing your teeth to computers doing your taxes. But did you know you can use AI to make money too? That's what I'm here to show you today. Buckle up because I'm sharing a super cool business idea that uses AI tools to make you passive income, money that rolls in even while you sleep. No fancy degrees or magic tricks are needed. Just a little creativity and this awesome idea. So, what are you waiting for? Let's jump right in and get started. Selling products or services is one of the best ways to make money. But what if you don't have any product? Don't worry. So many platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, and Walmart allow you to sell products from others and share the revenue. You just have to select products and promote them to the consumer. After selecting the product, the main challenge comes. Where will we sell our products and how can we increase the sales? There are so many ways to promote or sell products. Social media marketing, email marketing, blog sharing, and many more. Video marketing is one of the most impactful ways to promote your product. Imagine your customers getting personalized video guides while they shop, or giving live feedback that improves your products. Sounds amazing, right? Forget about endless camera hours. Feedeo AI is your secret weapon. An AI buddy that creates stunning sales videos all on its own. No acting classes, no awkward pauses, just crystal clear product explanations that boost sales like magic. Feedeo AI is an AI interactive video generator. You can captivate users with AI avatar-powered interactive videos. You can generate leads, showcase products, gamify engagement, and collect feedback effortlessly with Feedeo's interactive video platform. To start our journey with Feedeo AI, click on Get Started for free from here. Now we have to create an account. Create an account with your email address, or you can sign up with your Google account. After creating an account, you will be on this page. As we don't create any video, it's blank now. Okay, before creating our video, let's see some of their templates. Click on the template button from here. You can see the templates here. Let's see one of them. Click on the Live preview. Let's play the video.
Hi, I am Rachel. We really want to know what you think about our product. Your feedback is super important to us because it helps us make them even better for you. So would you mind telling us how...
That's good. You can see you can give a rating here. Let's give it 8.
I'm sorry we didn't meet your expectations. We value your opinion and would love to hear any suggestions you have to make things better.
Now the AI avatar gives further instructions and asks for your opinion. You can add detailed information here. And this information will be saved on your server. And you can use it to make your service or products better. That's really amazing. Okay, let's make a video on our product. Come back to the template page again. As we are making videos on product selling, come to the sales tabs from here. There are 2 templates. You can see a live preview here, and then select the best one you need. This time let's try the contact form. Click on Use this template to move forward. This is the Feedeo AI video creator page. On the center you will find the preview panel. On the left side of the preview panel, you will find the builder option, and on the right side, you will find the editor. First, in the video, you will notice some realistic AI avatars. You can use one of them, or can upload your own avatar. To do this, click on the Upload button from here, and then select the avatar you want to upload. At this time, I will use the Feedeo AI avatar. After selecting your avatar, you have to select the voice actor. Here you will find more than 15 voice actors in different accents. At this moment, Feedeo AI only supports the English language. After that, the script. Here we have to enter the script of the first part of our video. For example, I want to sell this product, and I will write some lines about it. I already made a template. Let's copy it and paste it into the Feedeo script box. Okay, on the next step, we will change this button from here. And to do this, come to the component from here. First of all, the overlay text. You can see the overlay text basic introduction on top of the button. You can turn it off or customize the text. I will turn it off. Just click here to do this. Then the answer type. Here you can change the answer type, such as you can add an NPS survey button, contact form, button, and many more. On this page, we will ask customers to know more about the product. So I will select a button. After that, the button text. Let's change it according to the script. I will add learn more about the product. Alright, our components editing is completed. Now come to the Logic tab. Here you will find some logic. Logic means what will happen if anybody clicks on the button. You can select any page from here or can enter a custom link. As we want our customers redirected to page 2, I will select page 2 from here. OK, our first page is ready. Let's edit the second page. Come to the Builder tab and then select page number 2. Keep the avatar and voice actor the same as on page 1. Come to the script box. Now we have to enter some details about the product with a call to action. For example, I will enter some product info and then add to buy the product. Click on Buy Now, and to learn more about the product, click on Learn More. After entering the script, come to the Component tab. Turn off the overlay text, then the answer type. As we have 2 options on our script, and we want to keep 2 options here, select Multiple Choice from here. Now rename the choice as per the instruction. I will add Buy Now for the first option and Learn More for the second option as per the script. You can add more options if you need to. OK, now come to the Logic tab. Our first option is Buy Now. I will set it to page 3. And the second option is to learn more about the product. This time I will set a custom link. Here I will add the affiliate link of the product. Alright, after page 2, come to page 3. Now come to the Video tab. Like page 2, don't change the avatar and the voice actor. Come to the Script option and ask for the address of the customer. After that, come to the Component tab and change the overlay text. I will add Leave your contact information. After that, select Contact Info in the Answer Type option. Skip the logic this time. Now if you want to add a new page, come to the Builder tab and scroll down. Click on the plus icon from here. A new page will be created. You can rename the page. OK, now come to the Video tab and change the script. I will add Thank you so much. Your product will be delivered very soon. Then in the Component tab, select the answer type as Known. As we don't have any component, logic won't work now. OK, now come to page 3 and select the Logic tab. Set the logic to page 4. And our editing is done. But how can we share the video? To do this, first of all, we need to publish the video. Click on the Publish button from here. You will get the URL of this video. Now you can share this video on social media or via email. But there is something more interesting for you. To reveal that, come to the Share button from here. If you want to embed the video on your website, you can do it. Just copy the iframe code and then paste it anywhere in the body section of your website. And if you want to use this video as a widget, copy and paste this code anywhere in the section of your website. Let's see the video preview.
Hi, I'm Aliana from L'Oréal Paris, an award-winning beauty product company. Today, I will introduce L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Moisturizer. To explore more about L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Moisturizer, click on Learn More about the product. The micro-hyaluronic acid in this anti-wrinkle cream helps the skin attract moisture. A face cream to help skin look bouncy, brighter and younger. To buy the product, click on Buy Now. And to learn more about the product, click on Learn More. Please enter your address below and we will deliver the products as soon as possible. Thank you.
Let's add an address on this page. After that, hit the Submit button.
Thank you so much. Your product will be delivered very soon.
OK, now let's see the response. Come to Feedeo and open the video you have created. Now come to the Response tab. Here you can see the response and the address we have added before. That's really amazing. In the same method, you can create customer support, satisfaction surveys, and other videos to increase your customer interest. It will increase your business growth. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with AI interactive video generation. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.